for today, pupunta kami sa Burj Al Arab. Nag-avail kami nung tour with Gold Coffee. Gold Coffee lang kasi hindi na namin carry yung meal. Yun. So kung mag-book kayo doon, yun yung budget meal nila, Gold Coffee. Yun. Tapos, kung gusto ninyo mag-meal, pwede rin naman. Ayaw namin.
Ayaw ng bulsa namin.
Ayaw ng bulsa namin. Pero, handa kaming makipag-ano ngayon. Social climbing. Ang mga social climber, papunta na. Yan. Punta na ng Burj Al Arab. Yan. So yun, hopefully hindi ulan. Yan lang. See ya. Fake na fake.
We are looking forward to guiding you through this world-famous landmark and taking you on a journey which few have gone on before. By moments, with the hotel perfectly situated behind you.
Suk Madinat. Siyempre pa dito. Well documented. Diba? Hi! Hi, ma! Kuya!
Her name is Quan Chu. Please keep that name. You may hear it again few times on my journey today. So total is 54 floors.
Oh.
This gold you see on the ceilings, this is 24 karat gold plated everywhere in the hotel. You will see it when you go the other side. From here you can use your phone until the end of the tour. And suite. We're gonna begin from the experience suite, which is a museum. Once we finish from here, my colleague will take you to the royal suite. But here, you're going to learn about when Burj Al Arab was born, when they finished the construction, and who was the interior designer and who was the architect.
Yeah.
Let's begin, please.
Yes, they will take the lift. Quan Chu, interior designer. David Guerra.
Like a beat getting stronger, feel the air around her, dance like a falling leaf. It's a wish like a
Royal Suite. Who wants to knock? They just knock. Jess also can knock. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yalla. Get up. Open sesame.
Open sesame.
Voila. This is your
Good evening,
cheating.
everyone. Welcome to the Royal Suite, to the jewel in the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come in. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome to Royal Suite. My name is Ghaffar. I'm one of the Royal Suite butler. First time, happy Women's Day to all.
Thank you.
Okay, so here we're going to explore 7 rooms. We'll start from the living room, then we will head upstairs to see the bedrooms, and we will end up here to the dining room. So, alright. Here you can make videos and photos as much you want, but one humble request, you cannot sit on the furniture or sofa because it's considered as antique.
Okay.
The other side you will see 200-year-old painting from Japan. And if you see the walls, it's changing the colors depending on the sunlight. The other side you will see TV with 24 karat gold leaf.
Nice view.
Sir, this is the Al-Majlis, a traditional Arabic meeting space, or the living room. And the queen's bedroom is over there.
This is the queen's bed. And the secret mirror. Ooh. Nakakatakot na. Ang ganda naman ng dresser nila. Lahat daw to gold-plated. Ito.
Yata. Ang nagadi ko lang ito. Hand actual. Mga tapestry.
Welcome to Burj! Ito yung bathroom. Yes. Ang laki naman ng bathroom.
Pwede kang makuha sa mga bathrooms nito. Aking mama siya.
Wow, look at the shower.
Ay, ang ganda ng tayo. Sino yung gold plate?
Gusto ko ng ganitong shower.
Bisaza.
Okay, I'm ready to do my bath. Hermes. Hermes daw ang kanilang. Ay, ang ganda nito. Oh. Ito talaga ang maganda. Gusto ko na ganito. Yan, diyan ako mag-makeup. Uy, ang ganda. Bet ko yung lamp.
Hindi pa pala tapos. Ito yung case bed.
Yeah. But there's no secret, mirror.
Ay, wow. Pwede po.
Hi.
This is the last piece was ordered from Gianni Versace.
This
Gianni Versace after he dies in 1997. It's very unique, this masterpiece.
So all rooms has this one?
No.
No, only this
Only
one.
the Royal Suite, yes.
Ah.
Only this
all
is the
the
most unique one. Yes. Alright, and also we do have the with the remote control.
Is it just Japanese inspired also?
It is.
Oh.
Masokada, ganyan.
Ay, ito.
Same
Same.
gold
Yeah.
plated, 24K.
Yep.
Talaga, Gianni Versace ito.
Ano to? Itong marble na to? Like for real?
Yung ano niya siguro, inspired design niya siguro. Lahat eh.
And the queen has the mirror on the top. Here we do have the
Oh, it's moving.
magic. Yes, please. Happy Valentine's. Happy Women's Day. Yes, please.
Oh yeah, when is it?
It's
was.
today.
Today?
Today, yes.
I thought was already.
Ay, ang nice naman.
Right.
Yes.
So here we have a
That's the mirror. Here's the secret mirror.
yes. Please.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
So for Madam, if you would like to use the
Crescent Road. Philby Beach.
Down.
Naglilift ang mag-iina.
Hindi
Gusto ko na ganito ano.
Lift na, alam mo yung mga ano, sa mga bahay.
Yeah, gusto ko ng ganitong lift. Charet. Hello. Uy.
Welcome to the dining room.
Nice. Ay, ang ganda ng taas. Yes. Nice. And from here, you can see Atlantis Royal. Study area. Ay, ang ganda. Nice. Ma-inspire akong mag-study. Kung ganito yung study area ko.
Magna cum laude.
Magna cum laude na ako, char. Nice. Ang cute ng globe. Alam mo, parang ito yung globe kahapon sa Louvre. Right? Ang ganda.
Coffee.
Okay.
I call my colleague. He will give you a table.
Okay.
Next.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. Madam,
Here's
this.
the dates.
I forget. Before you say you don't get. Oh, I forget. Sorry. Arabic coffee.
You don't like, ma?
Yeah. Dates and coffee.
Thank you.
Kindly have a seat here. I send my colleague.
Okay. Try it.
Ako sa kanya, pinainin mo ko ni Mama Sheka.
Talaga?
This is kahwa.
You should drink it with dates.
Kasi ito yung magpapatamis sa kanya.
Yeah.
Yung pa naman matamis na kape.
Ako naman magta-try. Actually, na-try ko na kala mo ng bago. Bago sa Dubai. Ang tapang kasi.
Talaga ba?
Ikaw kasi matapang ka. Ako pinainin ako ni Mama Sheka. Hindi mo lang din. Ninuno ko lang isang lagot. Tawa siya ng tawa sa akin.
Ay, hindi ito matapang ma.
Hindi, di ba?
Pang kawa yan.
Ibang kawa to. Hindi ito yung kawa nila. Ay,
Pero-
at least it's just na. Ka-in-adjust nila kasi.
Oo, kasi nga,
Or-
masyadong matapang siya for palit ng iba.
So here's our gold cappuccino.
Kape po kayo dyan, mga hampas lupa.
Yes. Ito, gold, may gold specs din siya. And this is the cappuccino.
Ay, gusto ko na siya.
Ikaw ma, how was your... Eh, hinalo niya yung hinalo ni Mother yung gold. Why?
Hinalo naman talaga, di ba?
Hinalo naman siya. Hindi naman. Charot lang.
Sarap ano?
May gold.
May something. Meron.
Masarap naman.
Medyo matigas.
Ay, matigo.
Sinalo mo kayo.
See.
Pwede na for the experience.
Cheers.
Cheers?
Dito pa ba? Cheers.
Kapit, nag-cheer.
Okay, hindi na po ako magtutoothbrush. toothbrush for the rest of my life. Charot. Ang gold. Lahat gagawin, makunan lang si Birch. Yan, so we're here at Texas Roadhouse kasi gusto ulit kumain ni Mother dito. The ever-famous buns and peanuts.
Peanuts na not really to my liking.
Yay! Thank you so much, Kuya, for my Lacoste cap. See? Ding-ding! Do you speak Lacoste? Paano ba i-speak ang Lacoste? Hey, dahil it's raining, dito lang kami kakain sa room. We're here at Off the Hook. Let's eat. We're back here at Dubai Malls. Actually, this is their last day. Last full day in Dubai. And kumain na kami kanina sa Off the Hook. Pero hinatid na rin namin si Mother sa hotel. And kami na lang.
Fourth time in Dubai. George, Dubai.
Yeah, it's his fourth time. At magpapabudol na naman siya. Ano na, Kuya? Are you ready to leave Dubai?
Bye, Dubai.
Bye, Ma. Bye, John. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Yan na, ang pahamak na luggage.